What you can also do is you can create shortcut icons in Windows, which allows you to restart or shut down your computer. So to do that, first of all, what you need to do is you need to right click and click on new and choose shortcut right here. So once you choose that out, and if you want to go around and then make a shortcut for restarting your computer, then what you can do is you can type in, let's say for example, shut down right here. So once you type in shut down, then you need to type in exe right here and then press -s right here and then -t right here and 00. So this is what you have to type in as a shortcut right here, and click on next right here, and then go and type in restart for this one. Click on finish, and there you go. You can see that the icon changed out onto a program icon right here. So once you double click, what happens is that it'll restart out your computer. So similarly, if you want to create a shutdown icon, you right click over here, click on new shortcut right here, just like this. So type in shutdown in this case. So you want the computer to shut down, press /s right here, and then space /t right here, and then press 0, and then click on next. So you can go around and rename this to shut down just like this. Click on finish, and there you go. So now what happens is that you got these shortcuts for restart and shortcut right in your desktop. And that is how you can create shortcut icons for restarting your computer or shut down your computer inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.